Hello, guys. So this is our last full day together. We will go surfing, and after surfing, we'll just chill. Heading down for breakfast right now. Trying not to scream in the camera. I really need a microphone. And then after tomorrow, I'll make my way to Imswan. I'm really thinking about hitchhiking, but I'm not sure. It's lunchtime on our last day on the beach. How are we feeling, guys? Good?
Really good.
How was the surfing?
Better waves than yesterday.
Nice.
And the sun.
And the sun.
Coming for
Ooh.
the sun.
Got some rice and chicken and veggies for today.
Let's go, Jacob!
Now it's super good. Omid and I are going to eat this massive chocolate cake after surfing.
Whoa.
Is it good?
Amazing. Wow.
Zachte? Bezachte. Very good.
Oh yeah.
So Omid and Kabi, they arranged hammam and massage. I'm skipping out on that because I'm very tired, so I'm just going to take a nap, edit some vlogs. But Omid, he was craving the tacos again. We're sitting at this restaurant for the third time in like 2 days or something. But at least we are...
Show it.
Yeah, we are going to
Not
have
only
the tacos. And the... what is it? Beef tagine?
The beef tajine, yeah.
Beef tagine and the famous tacos again. Enjoy!
Gotta enjoy life.
Okay, so Omid just left to his hammam and I decided to sit back because we have so much food left and I just want to write some cards for back home. I'm going to bring it, I'm going to give it to Omid or Fabi or Finn so they can post it for me with Christmas. But yeah, I'm so enjoying sitting here in Morocco. Just look at my view. This is all the food we have left, or he had left. He wanted to get food. I was just here to be in his company. But look at this. And I still have my mojito, so I couldn't leave. Imagine being in Morocco, sipping on a mojito without alcohol, while everyone at home is still studying. This is so worth the long days I had last year. So I managed to finish our food and I'm walking back to the hostel right now. I am dying for a nap. My head is also so red. I'm not sure if I'm burned or if it's the food and the exhaustion. It's so funny, at my hostel there's this little guy, Yassin. I think you guys have seen him a few times now. But he's always in the neighborhood and every time he sees me he goes twee! And now all his friends know me too. So I was walking past the shop and someone just called me. And I was like, hey, I don't know you. But it was one of his friends. So that was really, that was cute.
We need to fetch back the time they have stolen from us. Whoa. And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on the boogie all night long. Zone in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before.
pastry with vegetable.
Just the one with the vegetables. Oh, it's finished, yes?
Okay, we just finished dinner and I was talking and Yassin got me and he wants to play a game of pool with me. I am so bad. Ooh, my turn. Okay guys, we are going to this exclusive beach party with the whole hostel.
Wow.
This is how the hotel looks. It would definitely be out of my budget. But it is really nice to be here with everyone. This is the last evening as well, so
And what are we gonna do?
we are going to party.
Yeah, let's get fucked up. Right, Gabby? Period.
It looks so exclusive. Wow. Wow.
This feels like